Hi, we're Kusala and we're here with stunning sarees, with beautiful dupattas, and we have menswear. And that's Jhalak.
So we are at Bohemian Gallery today and tomorrow. Swipe left to check the collection.
Okay, hi. So we are Kusala and our brand is from Chhattisgarh. We do a lot of kosa silk sarees, stoles, dupattas, a lot of menswear. The beauty of our brand is that we use wild tussar or wild kosa, the cocoons which you just saw in the previous shot. We do something called thigh reeling, which is actually right here. Basically, every strand of silk is pulled out with the help of hand. Hence why if you see the texture of our fabric, it's beautiful, it's wild and it's very luxurious. That's the entire process, right from the beginning, from the cocoons to the thigh reeling, to the beautiful dyeing that happens, to the final weaving. So we've brought these products from the heartland of Chhattisgarh to you, Ahmedabad, and please do come soon. From the Noor collection, if you see, there is beautiful Zardozi embroidery done on kosa silk. This is a very spring-summer collection. You look at the bright colors, there is a nice interplay of colors that are happening. It's lightweight and it's very summery.
Yes, colorful.
If you're looking to host a really beautiful home party or you're looking to, wear something for someone else's wedding, this is perfect because it has a little bit of zari, yet it's very understated. Colors are beautiful. Once again, this is Swara. This is also very summery, comes in really nice bright colors, has very intricate small thread work, has really nice motifs. This again is from one of our classic collections called Abha. We have a lot of embroidery going, a lot of contemporary work on the palla. You'll notice there's geometry.
Yes.
Yeah, you can see a circle and a conversation.
Hello.
हेलो सो आई एम वेयरिंग कोसा सिल्क मेंस वेयर कलेक्शन. मैंने यहाँ पे कोसा सिल्क की जैकेट यूज़ की हुई है बेस कलर में और 100% हैंड वोवन सिल्क है ये. इसके साथ में मैंने ये इंडिगो कलर में कुर्ता, लॉन्ग कुर्ता एंड देन यस. सो दिस मेंस वेयर कलेक्शन आपको देता है जैकेट्स. काफ़ी डिफरेंट कलर्स में जैकेट है हमारे पास. देन हमारे पास हैं ये मस्टर्ड कलर में जैकेट्स एंड जैकेट के अलावा शर्ट्स, शॉर्ट कुर्ता और शर्ट्स. इसके अलावा लॉन्ग कुर्ता भी है हमारे पास. ये भी 100% सिल्क कोसा सिल्क में आपको मिलेगा.
Skin friendly, of course.
यस. सो सारे जो कोसा सिल्क के प्रोडक्ट हैं सब स्किन फ्रेंडली हैं. अदर सिल्क की तरह नहीं है जिसको पहनने में आपको प्रॉब्लम होती है.
Could guess what these are and something like that.
So guess what these are.
These are silk cocoons and all of your beautiful fabric is created with every part of this silk cocoon. So this is a kosa silk cocoon. It's a wild cocoon. Unlike mulberry silk, this is in the wild and from the wild your beautiful fabrics are created.
So the fibers are used to create the kosa silk
Correct.
fabric from this exact cocoon. These are found in like wildlife.
They found in wild. They found in the wild.
Wow. Okay. So Devangan community, the original weavers, they are the original weavers for kosa silk. So that is how they are made in Chhattisgarh. Look at that. So look at these beautiful sarees, all made of kosa silk.
This is one of our bestseller. If you look at this has a very beautiful hibiscus motif on it or shoe flower. So we have different techniques. Our jala sarees, our khafa sarees, and these are our fera sarees. So you have a lot of different techniques going on, and we've brought quite a lot of techniques from Chhattisgarh. We also have something with Zardozi work. So if you're looking for something heavy for your wedding season, these are the perfect sarees for that.
Beautiful. So this is the new collection.
This is Noor.
This
is
is
the
Noor.
newest collection, Noor.
Very pretty.
And these are our ever classics because these are traditional kosa silk sarees in gold. So all of these are the natural sheen. If you look at the kosa, it drapes very beautifully.
Wow.
And yeah.
Look at that. And usme bhi you have given like different designs
Correct,
to it.
correct.
Check these out. These are all. I think one should go for this one if they're
Yeah,
buying
if they're
the
looking for
first
something
time.
classic
Yes.
and they're looking for something lightweight,
Right.
these are perfect.
Perfect. These are beautiful. These are all dyeable.
Uh,
I mean,
ये
dye हुए हुए हैं.
Dye हुए हैं. हाँ.
Yes, very
These are the natural ones. We have a range of stoles and dupattas.
Right.
We have a lot of pastel shades going on. We have a lot of interesting motifs. If you zoom into something like that, these are inspired by Chhattisgarhi tattoos. Yeah, and what you are wearing yourself is a beautiful natural kosa silk dupatta.
Love that. So these
Yes.
are the range of dupattas
Dupattas
and
and
stole.
stoles.
And what is the price range?
This is around 3,500 now.
All right, thank you.
So we have these really nice diaries which are made out of kosa silk and they have handmade paper. We have passport covers, we have laptop sleeves, and then we have these cute little card holders too.
Laptop sleeves.
Laptop sleeves. Okay, so that's that.